Hi, my name is Greta Thunberg. I am a climate and environmental activist, and together with the Danish NGO Human Act, I'm launching a joint funding campaign to support UNICEF-'s work to protect children's lives during the corona pandemic. It is always the poorest and most vulnerable people who will suffer the most from a crisis, whether it is the climate crisis or the corona crisis. And even though children may not seem to be the primary target group for the coronavirus, children's lives are still at risk. As schools close, many children lose the possibility to learn because they do not have access to digital education. But not only that, they also lose their source of daily nutrition and water and sanitation. And if health services are overwhelmed, that will result in many additional deaths, child deaths that could have been prevented. So we must all now act together to protect the children and end the devastating consequences of the coronavirus. Children are the future and they must be protected. So please do whatever you can to support, and please help support this new campaign called Let's Move Humanity for Children in the Fight Against the Coronavirus. Thank you for your support.